What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. In fact, this is another challenge. So this time it's a chicken eating challenge and it is sponsored by Vikram Mittal. He is from Bangalore and he was kind enough to sponsor us for this video, for this challenge. So I'm gonna link his Instagram ID here. In the description below you can also find his link. So you can just tap on the link and you can get into his profile easily. He is a makeup artist and he has promised if he ever visit Manipur, he's gonna do a makeover of Prasan and he's gonna make Prasan into a girl. So let's wait for Vikram and let's hope he comes to Manipur soon. Alright guys, so we have invited some of our friends and we have chicken unlimited, so we can eat as much as we want. And thank you so much Vikram once again for the sponsor. And guys, we are open for more challenges and more sponsor if you are kind enough to sponsor us. So this vegetable is for Papa because he's vegetarian, so we bought all of this for Papa. And this is Mommy. Mommy is gonna be our chef today, as usual. So our plan is to first boil the chicken and then we're gonna deep fry it in oil and then it's gonna be dry. Yes. It's gonna be yummy. Yeah. And guys, our initial plan was to do a pork eating competition, but due to swine fever we ditched that plan and we went to chicken again. So all-time favorite chicken, so everybody likes chicken, so chicken challenge. So it's home cooked, so it's gonna be super amazing. So let's see how mom prepares it. Alright guys, so here is the cinematic of how we prepared the chicken. Let's go. Alright guys, so now everything is done and we are ready for the challenge. And there is one announcement. Here we have 10,000 rupees in cash. So the winner will get 10,000 rupees in cash. So are you ready, Prasad? Are you excited?
Yay!
John, do you think you will take away the money?
That's all mine, yeah?
John is very confident. Mom, how about you?
I'm the winner. Chochon is runner-up.
You can give me the money by now.
So everyone is very confident. There is no runner-up prize. So the first person will get the whole 10,000 rupees. So let's start the challenge. The first contender will be me and Suraj and John. So guys, three of us will compete first and let's see who can eat more. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna start now.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. So this is piyaz, this is king chili. So let's see who can eat more. So this one is 3 piece, this is 2.
Suraj has already started.
We are also hungry.
Here.
We don't have all day.
We don't have all day.
Oh my goodness, that's a big bite.
KFC kacha.
Who's gonna take away the cash?
Me. Ha.
Don't forget this.
Prasan is preparing his tummy.
You have to finish it all, right?
Yeah. Not the bone. Bro, you can leave the bone. You can hear the bones cracking. Long way to go.
Suraj looks full.
I'm not full. Look at Prasad's face. He's so upset already. Don't worry. There are so many.
Last night, that's why.
Prashant is very good. Yummy. Thank you Vikram bro for this awesome challenge. I'm loving it. Prashant is very hungry. He's controlling himself.
Prashant,
No problem.
Prashant. I'm still hungry, but I'm tired here, man.
I'm tired. Prashant is tired.
My jaw hurts. You want me to chew for you?
This I start, so I'll change it to this side.
Hey, eat fast. We do not have all day.
I'm
Our
done.
stomach
I'm
is
full.
Moving
Two
here and
piece.
there.
James said just 2 piece.
Prasad is gonna enter the arena now. Let's see.
This.
Suraj is eating his 4th piece and Prasan is starting now with his first.
आराम से खा लो भाई.
Alright guys, so here is your motivation. 10,000 rupees. Like any one of you can be the owner of this 10,000 rupees guys. This cash.
No worry guys.
So,
What if I finish all this?
Prasan is very confident that he can finish all of this. Mom is worried. Mom, don't worry.
My stomach is moving this side like this.
These two are eating machine guys.
I'm done. Suraj is done.
Suraj done?
5 piece.
5 piece.
It's my turn. I need a plate.
Alright. Suraj out with 5 piece.
Let me start with the leg piece.
Ah. Sanjay has started with the leg piece guys. First bite. Ah. Don't eat more.
Only this one.
Eat more. Prasan has started eating his 3rd piece already guys. Gets up.
Let me
Yes.
take rest now.
Really?
Yeah. Just a rest.
I'm waiting for Prasan.
Continue, you have to I will put them down.
He's trying to compress the chicken. 6 piece down. More to go. He's stretching himself guys.
Right.
He's making room. Yeah. Like it took me half an hour to eat 2 and Prasan has completed 4 in 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes guys.
I need some massage. Come on, Suraj. I'll save you the money.
I'll share the money.
I'll give you 1,000 if I
That's
come and
not
massage
fair.
me.
Josan is trying to bribe Suraj.
Yay.
This can be yours.
Yes.
All you have to do is you have to beat Son and Prasan.
So as of now, I'm the clear loser again. I had just 2 pieces and I'm full already. I cannot eat. My mouth and my stomach are not cooperating.
But check him out guys. So Son has went for 7 piece now. 7 piece is about to get over.
Unlucky draw.
Unlucky.
Oh man. I picked the big one.
Now that's the 8 piece.
Guys, 8 pieces like 1.5 kg.
Don't guys eat more.
Auntie is so hungry.
Mom is waiting for
I said
her
my
turn.
stomach is dancing inside.
And I'm still not done, Auntie. Just be patient.
रुको जरा, सब्र करो. In the beginning, Son was eating even the bones, and now because of the money factor, he is throwing away the bones.
Jesus is looking at you.
You're trying to cheat.
Okay, done 8 piece.
8 piece. Wow. All right. So Son has left target of 8 piece.
6 done.
6 done.
Yeah.
7, 8. So you have to eat 3 more to beat Son. All right, Son. You may leave. All right. Now Mom has entered the arena.
Hi.
Finally.
I'm the winner. I'm starting.
So Mom is gonna start eating, guys. All right, Mom. All the best. All you have to eat is 9 piece. 9 piece only.
Yes.
Jay, how many pieces done? 5th. Guys, this guy is unbelievable. Sanjay is unbelievable, guys. So how many pieces is that?
8.
8.
Yes.
John,
Seriously?
you need to pray, John. Pray. Come on, start praying.
Prasad, your mom is calling.
Oh, Prasad is about to complete his 8 piece.
How much you ate? 8.
Yeah, 8. So you have to eat 9, bro. Just do it.
Bro, you are defeated.
You are defeated. He has completed his 8 pieces, guys. The Prasad will go for his 9th. Mom, how many pieces? Okay. Okay, this is the first one, right? Mom is still working on her first. Sanjay has picked up his 6th piece, I guess.
Tired now.
He's tired.
But I'll defeat you, don't worry.
Prasad, you just have to eat 1 more piece to defeat John. And then you're gonna be the winner of this 10,000 rupees.
With this 10,000, I'll open tea stall. मेरा भी चाय का दुकान होगा.
If you go for 1 more piece, you'll be the winner for now. Go for it, bro.
Prasad.
Ah, John,
Khatam.
khatam, finish.
Tata.
Tata, goodbye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, the money was almost yours, but now I'm sorry.
No.
Yeah.
I'll just share with Prashant.
Ah, sorry.
Prashant.
This is my third piece. Look,
Huh?
this one. Two.
Sunai nahi de raha.
Huh?
And guys, don't forget about Jay. Sanjay is working on his sixth.
I'm tired.
Sanjay is tired. And while they are eating, we have a visitor here. So we're gonna give the bones. The name of the dog is Kali. Say hi to Kali, guys. Now Prashant's gonna be rich. I am rich.
I'll sleep on top of money.
This is fifth piece. I
Ah.
have to go 6 more.
Yeah, mommy has to go for 6 more pieces to win.
Money.
First, bring water for Prasad. Hey, Prasad is stretching. Sad life for Chon, guys. He is very sad now. First, he thought he was gonna win. He was happy and smiling now. He's playing sad music. Bro, I can feel you, bro. Don't worry. Hey, Prasad is done. Yay!
I can't walk.
I can't walk properly, guys. He's too full. So, mom, are you gonna go for more? So, how many pieces done?
5.
Good.
Eating can hurt. Eating can hurt sometimes.
Losing can hurt. Sing again. Sing the original one. Losing can hurt. 6 piece. So mom has done 6 piece. Now she's gonna go for more.
My 7 piece.
Mom, you have to go for how many more? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to go for only 5 piece more. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have exactly 5 piece. If you complete all of this, you'll be the winner.
Now I'm worried.
What?
You know why?
Why?
People won't invite me for dinner.
Prasad is worried that people will invite him.
I know the limit, man. I know the limit.
Mom is tired already.
My comfort, my shelter, tongue of refusing and strength.
Refuse it or refuse?
Now I'm a refugee.
Power of refusing and strength.
My subler. Okay.
No, again.
Okay, from
Come
the
on.
beginning, from the first.
From the beginning, let's
From the
go.
beginning.
Mom's done, mom's done.
Mom's done. Alright, 6 piece. Alright, guys, wait a minute. Okay. So guys, here is our clear winner. First, mom has 6 piece. Suraj, how many piece? 5 piece. Sanjay 7. John 8. And me, yeah, you don't have to count because it's just 2. And Prasan, here's your cash prize. So you can do whatever you want.
Let's hear.
Yeah. He's counting. He has doubt, like, oh, he has trust issues.
6, 7,
8,
8, 9, 10.
So, Prasan, how do you feel after being the winner?
I feel 10,000 richer.
Yeah. Congratulations, bro.
If you don't share that, I'll not share. So we don't live.
Don't leave, guys. Prasan ran away with the money. Come back, we have to sing a song. We have to sing a song, come back. Alright, guys, now we're gonna sing a song. Prasan is gonna play the guitar. Alright, John, let's go.
My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days, I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, towers of refuge and strength. Every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Powers and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar at the sound of your name.
guys, so we hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you Vikram for the sponsor once again. So I'm gonna link his Instagram ID in the description below, and here on, like, even on the screen I'm gonna display his Instagram ID. He's a makeup artist, so like anything you want to ask about makeup and anything, you can just go and talk to him. Hey guys, check this out. He's sleeping on money, guys.
Money kids.
Money kids. Prasad is really happy. Alright guys, we'll catch you in another video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Bro, where's mine?